Just a quick issue with the Mini. As you can see, this light is on and this light isn't. So I just took a wire from this side and I'm going to run it over to the positive there, and she's on there now. So I'm just going to loop this into this red wire here and see how it goes. So what we have here is two crimps. So this one will obviously go on one side of the red wire, and then this one connects in there, and then this brown wire will go onto a crimp and go onto that. So let's get this all on here. Now we just connect these two together, now like so, and then we're going to put our other connector on the end of this brown wire, connect it on here, and we should be done. Just like so. And this will go on here. Now that's all connected there. Then I'm just going to wrap some tape around this, and then we're going to loom tape this brown wire to this old part of the loom. I'm going to take all this old tape off and redo it because it's literally like paper. So take this off and rewrap. And we have working bulbs on both sides. Out with the old, in with the new. Now, just time to tuck it underneath and all done. Job done.